Hey there, Melissa Harrison with Melissa Harrison Coaching. Today we're going to talk about the power of and. But before we do, I want to remind you of all of the ways that you and I can work together. I have one-on-one coaching packages, different options within the packages. I have online courses and trainings. I have a mastermind group that runs monthly with a dedicated private Facebook group too for in between the sessions. I have group coaching from time to time. I have laser clarity sessions. And of course, my free Facebook group, the Fierce Sisterhood. The link is below for you. Definitely come join us in there. Okay, so let's talk about the power of and. First of all, the sneakiest limiting belief of all is that you have to change something in yourself or in your current experience. Usually it's some sort of thing that you're told you have to heal in order for you to be or do or have the thing that you want. This is very frustrating for me because it perpetuates this addiction to healing that our society seems to have, as if we're somehow broken or not whole. Now, yes, growth is amazing, and finding new ways of being that are more fun and more passionate and more joyous and that serve us better and that help us serve the people that we're here to serve better. Absolutely, those are all amazing. But fundamentally, there is nothing to be fixed. And so the belief that you have to fix something, heal something, transcend something before you can have the thing you want is erroneous. It is completely untrue. The truth is there are zero limits. Zero limits. Save those you keep going in your mind, right? So the first thing that you need to change is recognizing that nothing needs to change in order for you to have and be and do what you want. So what I would encourage you to do is this. Anytime you're considering that next thing that you want to be or do or have, and you have one of those ants, those automatic negative thoughts come up. Yeah, but I still have this fear of abandonment, or I still have, money wounds, or I still have this belief that I won't have enough time and I have to fix that before I can move forward. I want to just get curious about those thoughts. Never judgmental. I say that all the time. Just be super curious about it. The more judgment you have about something, the more you're attaching it to yourself. So once you're curious about the story that's automatically playing in your mind, then you can just decide to say, okay, for example, there's a fear of abandonment kicking around, and I can still have a really beautiful, powerful, loving, amazing relationship. I have this fear of not enough time or of not being enough for everything and everyone kicking around, and I can still be all of the things and do all of the things and have all of the things that I'm called to do and do those all powerfully well. It is just a choice for you. It's truly just a choice. You need to decide that you can experience a little bit of doubt, a little bit of concern, a little bit of frustration, a little bit of stuckness, and still be and do and have all of the things. I promise this is the way forward. You don't clear the old thing to get to the new thing. You decide and declare and start taking action on the new thing to clear the old thing. Literally how you do it. So I invite you to avail yourself of the power of and. Use it with everything. Make it fun. I do this sometimes with the kids. Y'all can be in a bad mood and we're still gonna have a good night. Now, they don't like it all that much sometimes, but eventually they catch on. Use it in every way that you can think of, and then come back, drop a comment, and let me know how it went for you.